Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be cleaning out my refrigerator and organizing it a little bit. And then I am going grocery shopping, so I'll have a grocery haul for you. And I also am going to Costco, so I'll share that with you guys as well. The day I am filming this is actually my birthday. So I ordered a Costco sheet cake and I did not realize how big it is. It's actually a half sheet cake, so stay tuned for that. Now let's get into it. So the first thing I'm doing is just wiping down and clearing my space so that I can take everything out of the refrigerator and see what needs to be tossed and what I can put back. I'm very curious to know how many of you take everything out of your refrigerator when you're cleaning it and how often. We probably only take everything out maybe 3 to 4 times a year, but we throw away everything that is expired or needs to be tossed once a week and just wipe down around the remaining groceries that are in there. So comment down below how often you deep clean your refrigerator. I will say that taking everything out like this and deep cleaning the fridge took a lot longer than I originally anticipated. We are lucky that our fridge has these plastic encasements that you can just take out and wash and put back in, so that made it very easy. So now I'm just going to go through all of the stuff that was in the door of the fridge, the condiments mostly. I think I found about 8 or 9 things that needed to be tossed. Not too bad. We cook a lot from home, mostly every day, and then we try to eat the leftovers, but as you can see later on in this video, I end up tossing a bunch of leftovers that were left in there for more than a few days just to start fresh. I know this seems like an insane amount of eggs with the 3-tier carton, but we do go through them because I bake a lot, and then my husband, myself, and my daughter all eat them for breakfast many days a week, so we end up always going through them. You're gonna see me struggle in just a minute to move this shelf up, but we have a lot of taller products with milk and creamer and juice that all kind of get shoved in the one corner, so I thought I would try moving it up and see if that helps our space issue. Because it's my birthday weekend, we did end up getting takeout last night, and if you know, you know, this is the Campfire Sauce from Red Robin, and it is so good. So a side note, I realize we have 4 cans of whipped cream in our door and they end up just staying right there. They're all new. My daughter absolutely loves whipped cream on her pancakes, and we are still in the hot cocoa phase as it's still chilly here, so we end up going through it. A great way to get those crumbs out. I'm just using my Dyson with the little small hose on it, and it worked amazing. Also, yes, we go through an insane amount of cheese in this house, and so some of it I ended up actually having to toss, but most of it came back into the refrigerator. Summing up mom life, breaking apart the cheese sticks so kids can easily grab one. I do this task every single week. As you can see, I also leave the newer bag of string cheese in the bag so that we can eat what needs to go first before we open the new one. Have not jumped on the bandwagon of prepping my vegetables or washing them before I put them away. They just stay in there, and then when I want to use one, I just hand wash it and cut it up or do what I need to do with it. The only thing that I will prep and put in a separate container is berries if my daughter wants to have those, or if I cut up a melon or something like that. That being said, I would love to get more organized, have more meal plans, and be able to prep my food ahead of time. I am just not there yet. Now that everything is cleaned and put away, I am just getting rid of all of the garbage, doing the recycling, and washing the Tupperware of things that need to go. Taking the garbage and recycling out and wiping down the garbage can. During the springtime, we take our garbage cans outside and spray them down in the yard with the hose with a really good cleaner, but in the meantime, I just try to wipe it down maybe once a week. Please excuse all of the lid toppers there for my daughter's juice cups. We buy them every time we go grocery shopping, and then she wants to keep the lid and keep drinking out of those cups, so we end up tossing them throughout the weeks and hand washing them in that bowl of water, rinsing them and letting them dry out. Moving on to the grocery haul. So we go grocery shopping as a family every Sunday morning. So we've got 2 things of milk. We go through it super quick. Some almond milk, coffee for my husband, goldfish, Go-Gurts. We eat a lot of Go-Gurts. Some squeezed pouches, bagels. Everything bagels are my husband's favorite. That is an easy chopped salad. He picked that one up for himself. And then we have lunch meat, pizza dough, and some chicken breast that I will use in some kind of meal this week, either baked or shredded. A steamable broccoli bag, I'll use that as a side for a dinner this week. And then, oh my gosh, you guys, from Costco, this salmon, it was so good. We had that for my birthday dinner, and I think I was the only one who really ate it, but I loved it. And then also, my son loves these 5 cheese tortellinis from Costco, so I got those. Some bananas, potatoes, and grapes. Some apple juice, the coffee creamer, which is almond milk, vanilla coffee creamer. It's so good. And chips to go with some salsa. And then my favorite snack is Skinny Pop. I'm addicted to popcorn of any kind, but the Skinny Pop from Costco I absolutely love. You can see the crisp rice back there. They did not have any Rice Krispies, and I'm sad about that because I need it for my St. Patrick's Day Lucky Charms Rice Krispie treats, so we'll have to use a generic brand. Pirate's Booty, which is my daughter's favorite snack. And then from Costco, you guys, this creamy dill pickle salad. If you had not had it, go get it. It's so good. A thing of Diet Pepsi. I do not get soda every time, but it's my birthday, so it's a treat. And then look at the size of this sheet cake. I can't even believe it. We made a 0 dent in it, and it's massive. It was such a good price, and it tasted so good. And then cereal for my husband and cereal for the Lucky Charms bars. So now I just have to put everything away, and this task will be complete. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!